time for chicken chili verde enchiladas. They are fantastic. You're going to need Mission white corn tortillas. Then you're going to get a hot pan and you're going to blanch about a dozen of them. 4 seconds on one side, then blanch 4 seconds on the other side. Put them on a plate. They'll be nice and malleable. They will not fall apart when you roll them. And then it's going to look like this when you're done getting the chicken and the sauce and everything rolled up. And they're going to be so good. So you get the La Victoria green sauce, or you make your homemade green sauce if you have time. And that is the green sauce mixed with the chicken broth from the crock pot. So I made the chicken breasts in the crock pot, took about 4 hours on high. Shred up the chicken, whichever chicken you decide. Thighs, chicken breast, or a roasted chicken from the store. And you just put a little bit of the green sauce in there. And then you're going to have some green sauce left over a lot. And you put most of it on the enchiladas that you rolled up. And you're going to set the oven to 375. And you're going to bake them for about, I would say, 16 to 20 minutes. Somewhere in there. And when they come out, you're going to get the cheese. I had the Costco cheese on hand. You're going to sprinkle it on. I prefer the Tillamook cheese. They taste a lot better. So once they're done, and you bring them out, top them with the cheese, then you cook them with the cheese for about 5 to 9 minutes, depending on how cooked you like the cheese to be on the enchiladas. They're so good. Can't you just smell it? Oh my gosh. They're so good. I just lined it with some parchment paper. It makes it really easy, and you get all the cheese and sauce and everything when you line it with the parchment paper. I made some refried beans just from a can, topped them with the cheese. I like to mix mine with butter. Cook them up in the butter, and they taste really good. And that's it. Enjoy.